first video on my run cam that I got from Motion RC, and hopefully it works out okay. I put it on the Lunchbox because it already had a battery in it, and yeah, so we'll see if this video turns out and see how it goes. Couldn't run on anything other than the driveway, the flight field, the RC club, because everything is underwater at the racetrack. It's turn 3 and 4 are submerged, so we got so much damn rain it's not even funny. The field out here, the field's got water just standing in it. Unreal. So, well guys, hey, hopefully this video turned out, and thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Have a good one. See you on the next one. Bye.